Hello, I just quickly want to show you how to make vegetable stock paste. So I've already looked it up on the Thermomix. So we're just going to say start cooking. It asks us for, let me just zero my screen, for 200 grams of celery. Got a little bit more because we're not going to do the onions and things we can't have. Ask for 2 carrots, cut it up into pieces. Sorry. One brown onion, as I said, we're intolerant, so I'm skipping that step. A fresh tomato cut in half. Zucchini I didn't have, so doing a bit of sweet potato. Garlic cloves, we're intolerant, so not doing that one. 1 dried bay leaf. Fresh basil. Sage I don't have. Rosemary leaves and parsley, which I've got over here. So just adding all of those. There we go. Then we're going to put the measuring cup on top and just chop that up on speed 6. So next, scrape down the sides of the bowl. I'll show you just quickly how. There's a few bits and bobs here and there. That's okay. We'll chop it again. Oh, it smells divine. 150 grams of rock salt. That is a lot, but it's the preservative. That's why you need so much. So if you keep your vegetable stock paste in your fridge and use a clean spoon every time, it keeps up to 6 months. And olive oil, nearly forgot that one. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And put on the lid. That's now going to cook for 20 minutes. And I'll show you the inside. So it's been cooking for 20 minutes. We've got 3 seconds left and 8 seconds of cooling. In the meantime, I've rinsed these with hot water so that I can pour my stock into these glass jars. Oops, went too far, just go one back. So keep your measuring cup inside and we're just going to blend this. So just come around this side. It says turn speed selector to 5 and then increase gradually to speed 9. So as soon as you hear it's at speed, you can increase gradually. Transfer into sealable containers and place in refrigerator ready to use. Let me show you our beautiful steaming vegetable stock paste. Now I'm going to use this handy tool that I bought at the mix shop to make it easier to pour into jars. There we go.